the middle of the night, somebody is beside your bed. Your child has wet her bed again. So sad because she would love to do a sleepover with her friends. 15% of all children between the ages of 5 and 12 suffer from bedwetting. This means that they wet their bed 1 or multiple times a week. But there is something you can do about it. Rودجر underwear looks like normal underwear, but has a little secret. Between the cotton layers are tiny wires. These wires are connected to the transmitter, which is snapped onto the underwear. When the wires get wet, the transmitter sends a signal to the receiver, and the device then sounds an alarm. The Rودجر bedwetting alarm has 8 different sounds and adjustable volume. This is the Rودجر bedwetting alarm. It helps your child to wake up when she's wetting her bed. The alarm is out of your child's reach, so your child needs to get out of bed to turn it off. Then she can finish on the toilet. The average bedwetting alarm training takes between 3 to 4 months. Your child is trained during this period to wake up on time and go to the toilet by herself. For deep sleepers, we recommend a vibration cushion connected to the alarm. Prevent sleepless nights and piles of laundry. Start your bedwetting treatment with Rودجر today.